Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to split window in Excel. And this lesson will be illustrating how you can split your window into multiple resizable pans. When I illustrate it, you will understand what I mean. So the essence is for you to work in different sections of a worksheet at a time without having to scroll left, right, center. You just be working in different section of the same worksheet at the same time. To view this feature, you go to your view tab. My view tab is already active. Then under the Windows section, you see the split option here. Right. Now, I want to split this worksheet into two pan. I'll select, for you to split it into two horizontal pan, select any cell in column A. Select any cell in column A. Let me select this and I'll apply the splits. Good. Now, so you can see. So it's in two pans now. We have the first one up here. We have the second one up here. So it's the same worksheet, but has been separated into two pans, meaning that you can work on any area. Maybe you want to work on the first set, that's the first section of this, and you want to be referencing the later part of it. So you want to be having a good view of it while you're working. You understand? So as you're working here, you're seeing the first part, you're seeing the later part of it. So you have two sections of the worksheet to your attention. You're viewing it at the same time without having to scroll left, right? So if you want to undo this and deactivate the split option, just click on the split again and that's it. Now to split into four pans, remember the first one you have to select just to split into two horizontal. You select any cell in column A. You split into two horizontal pan. Now to split into four pans, just select anywhere at the middle of that worksheet. Okay, let me select here. Let me select I. Now you apply it. You see, so you see that it's now in four pans. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I can scroll this point up there, and you can scroll down here. You see, you can scroll down here. So for any of the cell, you see, so you have it into four pans. So you can scroll any area of this worksheet, anywhere you want to see. Okay, you're looking at this section. You may want to look at another section here. You want to just go down a bit. Okay, maybe you want to go to this point. Look at this point. Then you want to go down a bit and check. You just explore it, and you'll see that. You see the column A is also here, right? So that's how it was. This is the four pan. So you can just click on the split again in order to deactivate the split option. Now to split the window into two vertical, you just place it in any cell on the first row, and click on the split. But now it's in two vertical, all right? Two vertical, so you can move to the left, to the right in this section. You can move to the right, to the left and right of this pan. So it's in two parts and it's in a vertical form, right? So it's quite a useful feature if you are working on a large database, right? Rather than scrolling up and down, you just split it either horizontally, vertically, or into four pans, whichever makes the work more efficient for you, right? So when you're done, you just click on the split option again to deactivate it, and it returns back to default. So this is how you go about splitting your worksheets or your window into different pans. I believe we now have an understanding of this. So this brings us to the end of this section of the training. See you in the next section. Bye.